It is said that when Robert Caro, the famous American biographer, worked in the New York paper Newsday, his boss gave him this advice, possibly the most important advice any writer could ever have. He said, quote, "Read every page. Don't make any assumption. Read every bloody page," unquote. When writing my books, Cursed, a social portrait of the Kielce pogrom, July 4, 1946, and Rough Music, a polyphonic history of the Kraków pogrom, August 11, 1945, which examined two of the roughly 50 pogroms that took place in Eastern Europe in the aftermath of the Holocaust, I took this advice to heart. I read every bloody page of the declassified files from the first communist investigations, and then from the investigation conducted 50 years later after the collapse of communism. Every bloody page of the depositions of the militiamen, the military men, the caretakers, the fishwives, the political propaganda experts. I studied again and again the testimonies of the pogrom survivors, both those from 1946 and those from 1996, when the Polish prosecutors went to Israel to conduct those interviews again. I checked every single name and surname, and I lodged inquiries with the Polish Institute for National Remembrance about each and every one of them, every single name. This background checks research method proved very efficient. It revealed a fresh and unexpected perspective on Polish history, and more importantly, it has been difficult for deniers to challenge. Replicability of this recurring picture of violence is safeguarded against its subjectivity. My third and final book in the Pogrom trilogy will deal with the Rzeszów riot of June 11, 1946, and I'm embarking on this task now.